Let me show you how to make the favorite in my annual cookie gift baskets, the 7-layer bars. To begin, let's line a 13x9 pan with aluminum foil. This is important so you can easily remove the bars when they're done baking. Now let's add a half a cup of sliced butter, and we're going to place that pan in a 325-degree oven so it can melt. With the butter melted, let's sprinkle 1.5 cups of Grahm Cracker Crumbs evenly over the butter. I like to grind up my graham crackers just using a small food processor. Next, let's pour a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk over the top and spread that out. Now this next step allows for some creativity. I add 1 cup of peanut butter chips, 1 cup of chocolate chips. You could easily swap those out for butterscotch chips, maybe white chocolate, or whatever you prefer. Next, let's add 1 1/3 cups of flaked coconut. And then we're gonna add a half a cup of chopped walnuts and a half cup of toffee bits. Now you could easily swap one of these out, maybe for red and green mini M&Ms for Christmas, maybe do some Reese's Pieces for Halloween, something like that. Okay, the last thing we wanna do here is we wanna take a fork and you wanna firmly press down evenly across the entire surface, and that's just to ensure that we bind all the ingredients together. And then we're gonna place this in a 325-degree oven and we're gonna let it bake for about 25 minutes. And let's allow this to cool, and then we're gonna remove it from the dish. And you wanna make sure you remove the foil from the back. Sometimes that can stick a little bit, but it should come off fairly easy. And then we're gonna cut these into small bars. You should get about 36 or so out of it. Here you go, folks. 7-layer bars. I hope you enjoy them.